headed to a harvest host in North Carolina, Pikeville, North Carolina. It's called A Secret Garden Winery. So
just for one night.
Yeah, for one night before our next stop. So apparently we're at the pickle capital.
Alright guys, making a quick pit stop at McDonald's, and I'm about to eat my first Big Mac in 5-6 years, guys. I used to love Big Macs, and this may not be a good thing. It may start another addiction, because I actually had an addiction after watching Super Size Me, and I went on a Big Mac binge after that. It was weird. I have a quick question for anybody out there that may have an answer. I put those jacket brackets on my truck, and we had a really rainy day last night, well, this morning, and it was noisy as hell. So I don't know, anybody know why it's still noisy? Because the brackets actually have this plastic cover preventing that whole friction noise that was happening before. All right guys, my first Big Mac in many years. This is crazy. I used to love this stuff, man. Oh my god. Wow. I was telling my wife that when I was vegetarian for many years and vegan, now that I'm out of it, I felt like I did a jail sentence. And now I've got out of jail, and it's like trying to pace myself. It's hard. That was a very delightful treat. Now it's time to get back on the road again.
I don't know how we had to manage to stop 2 times to use the bathroom, and the total drive time was like less than 3 hours. So much cotton everywhere. Wow.
That's their snow. It's kind of pretty.
It is pretty. Is this it right here?
Where?
To the left?
Yeah.
Arriving at 1008 Airport Road Northeast on the left.
All right, we are here, and we're trying to figure out where to park. He said we can park anywhere here or down there. What do you think?
I think if you just back up and just pull right alongside here, right? So, I don't know if you can hear. Okay. You hear how loud that is again? This is from all the rain.
Straight?
Hmm?
It looks straight.
Who cares? We're the only ones here. So there you have it. Very peaceful. The winery is closed because the owner is not feeling well. So to support the business, we asked the guy if he could just open the door and let us buy a bottle of wine. And that's what we're gonna do once we get set up. I don't know if I'm gonna like it outside too much, because they said the honeybees are at work and one just attacked me or something. Station to you campers out there, if you're in the market for a dog, do not get a Bichon. Okay?
They're white.
He is so white, and every time we go camping he gets so dirty. So we have decided to put boots on him when it's raining, and we carry him a lot. It's pretty ridiculous. He is a well-pampered dog. He doesn't want to be seen.
But he likes to be dirty though. Like,
Isn't that right, Pumpkin? Isn't that right?
Guys, so this is going to be our view, which is not too shabby. I'm going to try to get the drone up. This is our setup for the night. This was actually the halfway point for us from Carolina Pines to First Landing, Virginia Beach. So, wow. This is the country though. You hear the gunshots. I hear loud music. It's weird to hear in the background. because its properties are so large. I'm surprised I could hear anything. What do you think, huh? Other than the loud music in the background?
I don't mind the music, nor the shotguns. I just want to start cooking.
I mind it when I sleep, so.
I don't think people are going to be shooting through the night.
Well, we'll see. There's a party going on right now. They're still celebrating Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. So we have no hookups tonight. They did offer, but I have my generator with me, so I'd rather play around with the generator instead. I have it running, recharging my batteries right now. I'm trying to get as far away from the rig as possible so that I don't hear it, just in case we run it tonight. But I don't think we'll need to run it tonight, because from what I'm learning, you don't need that much power to run the propane heaters. So the only thing we've been using lately is the propane heaters, not the air conditioning, because it's been nice and cool, 60s and 50s and 40s at night. So probably just run it throughout the day, and at night we're just gonna run the heat. Don't worry about it. Hopefully it'll be a quiet night. Our neighbors seem a little bit loud, so it might be a long night. We will see. Man, I love my rig. Check it out. So pretty. I need to launch the drone.
Now that we are settled in at the Harvest Host, I'm about to cook dinner. Right now I just season the grill. It's nice and hot, and all I do for seasoning is I use some oil. This is like an IKEA oil, and I just sprinkle that on there, get it nice and hot. And then usually when I cook, even though I'm a newbie and I really don't even know what I'm doing, I cook on low most of the time because I find that things just cook pretty well. I already did my food prep, so I just got to bring it out. So now just waiting for the cheese to melt over that, and then we'll throw it on some buns. We'll be good to go. I love my Blackstone. Don't know how many times I got to say that, but I'm gonna keep on saying it.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to this beautiful rainy day here in Pikeville, North Carolina. And today I'm gonna teach Maya how to hook up all by herself for the first time. And she's even gonna back it up and everything.
First of all, I don't even know how to work your truck.
Back it up, back it up.
Like, I just literally turned on the blinkers. There we go.
This might be a bad idea. All right, this is gonna be interesting, guys. So I'm gonna back Maya up. She's going to hook up, and that's all we're gonna do for today. That way. You got to cut the back that way. Yep. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming. You good? Keep coming. Stop. Perfect. Put the parking brake on. She did a really good job. Check it out. Turn the car off. Put on the parking brake. We're working against the clock, bro.
I know. Are these your work gloves?
Yeah, you can use those. The wrong hand. Oh, yeah, no.
Don't do that.
No, you have the right hand, I think. Don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to spray the hitch ball with some of this stuff here. Just the ball. Whoa.
Sorry.
Spray good, like you want to get coating. This side looks. Missed the whole area here on this side. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Babe, I want to dry this thing off so it does not make all that noise.
Oh, yeah, I got a towel. Even though it's going to get wet again?
Yeah. I just want to see if it helps any to have all the components dry, even though it's about to rain again.
Yeah, it was really noisy yesterday for some reason. We haven't had any noise for our last couple trips, but we haven't had any rain either.
No, we had rain, just not that much rain before.
Yeah. You want to drop it so that it doesn't pull the truck down, okay?
Okay.
Okay, see if it locks. Try to lock it. Try to lock the ball. Perfect. I'll put the pin in there. Push it, push it, push it. Wiggle it and push it at the same time. There you go. It's coming through.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, put this bar on that side.
Oh, that's heavy.
Till it locks. Should lock in place.
I didn't realize this bar was this heavy. Okay.
Yeah. So now raise that side up.
Like
leave it out like that and start raising up the hitch, the tongue.
wait, like that?
Yeah. Do it with one hand. Try to hold this thing up like that. That way you know how close you're getting. And lift it at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
No, not yet. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Good job. Now lock it in place.
Like this?
Yep. Oh no, the other way. You want it over the bar. The hook to go over the bar.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Yeah, do the same thing on this side. She's doing good. I'm not hooking up anymore after this. She doesn't know it yet. Hopefully she didn't hear me.
I can hear you.
Oh, darn it. Okay.
Oh, is that a beat?
Okay. You want that locked. There you go.
Okay, so
Same thing. Keep lifting. Lift it. See if you can get it on there with a little strength. No, just go. Keep going. Keep going.
You
No,
sure?
don't hurt yourself. Keep going. There you go. You got it. Good job.
I don't like that sound.
It's temporary. It's okay. The sound won't hurt you. Okay. Now raise this thing back up. Oh, yeah.
So drop it.
The other direction. There you go. It's all the way in? Okay. Now just pull that out.
What?
Pull this out.
Oh.
And now hook up the chains.
Okay.
So the chains you want to crisscross.
Crisscross applesauce?
Yeah, so one goes on that side and one on the other.
Is it supposed to be
under the between the bars, yeah. You should go from the back. You go from the back.
Uh-huh.
On an angle, it should slide right in. Yeah. Same thing. If you come in at an angle from the back, hit it from the back. Okay. And put in the brake lights. You want that little piece to be to the right, and then the little door locks it in place, keeps it from coming out.
Okay.
And you just gotta do the emergency brake. From the back, like I said, on an angle.
Is it on the same thing?
Yeah. That's it.
I'm a pro.
Not too bad, right?
No.
And you didn't even have to use the lift bar. Remember when I first started doing this?
Yeah.
I was using the lift bar.
Yeah.
There you go, folks. Easy peasy. That's how it's done. Wow. It's special. Now, she won't need me. She's gonna go camping on her own now.
Well, I needed you to back me in.
You can do that on yourself. We'll get a backup camera.
I know. Next time when it's not rainy and foggy, I want to try it myself.
Yeah. You can do that too. You don't need them on, right?
No. Women do this all the time.
Exactly. All right, now.
All right. Well, that wasn't hard at all.
So just one more thing I wanted to add, which I had just mentioned to my wife, is that the only time you want to put the bars on is if you are on a level ground. We were on a pretty level spot right now, so that's why we were able to do it so easily. If the ground was not level, you need to just put it on the hitch ball and drive it somewhere level and then put the bars on. Especially if you're...
Right?
Huh?
Drive like a long distance.
Right, no, don't get on the highway or anything like that. It's going to be kind of dangerous driving at high speeds in that position. So you want to just go to a level area, which you'll be able to see on your dash. If you have a Ford F-150, they typically have a grade scale or a grade guide on the dashboard. Probably all the trucks have them. I don't know, because I only have a Ford. But anyway, it'll be way easier. That way you don't even have to use those lift bars to put those distribution bars on the brackets. That makes things so much better. I've learned that the hard way. Now I'm giving it to you the easy way. This girl does it all, guys. She hooks up and she cooks on the Blackstone. I got a winner. I'm just gonna be co-pilot from now on everything. You cool with that?
No.
Come on.
All right, guys. So this concludes our overnight stay in Pikeville at A Secret Garden Winery, which is a Harvest Host. If you're ever passing through North Carolina, this is located about 28 miles from the 95, give or take. Quiet place, other than a rooster who likes to cockle-doodle-doo starting at about 4 a.m. But yeah.
We hope that you got some value from this video as usual. And if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when our latest video drops. So now we are heading to First Landing State Park, which is in Virginia Beach.
Yeah, we've been trying to get into that park for a while now. So this will be our first glimpse of it.
Yeah.
And on that note,
we'll see you on the next one.